What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Valentine's Day. We're here for the love stream, okay? This is the love stream, and I love when I make money. I love when we all bank together, guys. And today was a great day. So we're able to hunt some plays in the pre-market with our fibs, and we're able to hit these stocks, Nvidia and net, guys. Well over $5,000 right there. So let me just go ahead and post this out to everybody and let them know that we're ready to go. Okay, so SPY, get right here live now, and then we'll get right into it. All right, let's get everybody in here. Calm on down. All right, let's get this rocking and rolling. All right, so let's go right here. Boom. Come learn and earn. Let's go. All right. All right, hit me with a 1 if you can hear me okay. Trading Wars Army, who do we have? Bill, Trading Wars Army, Gus, Todd, G-Man, Hillbilly, Trading Wars Army, Hellshock, Jay Ingram, Trading Wars Army, Ernesto, Heartstrong, Nazda, Danny, the Trading Wars Army. Good to see you guys. David, Trading Wars Army, Proc. What's going on? Good to see you guys. Thanks for being here. All right, so let's go ahead and let's start off with SPY, and I'll walk you through the day trades we took on SPY today, and then I'm going to hit Nvidia and net. I'm going to show you how we made 5,000 on that. Really nice day. Nothing but grateful. You know, nice way to have some extra money in the pockets for Valentine's Day, so you could buy some flowers. All right, so let's go ahead and let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to hit the replay today, and we're going to go right into drawing today's high and low. So there's our high, and there's a low. So that is yesterday's high and low. And what we're going to do is we are going to look at the first bar of the day, and then I'll walk you guys through exactly what we did. So first bar comes in, we are in the middle. Okay, so this right here, my friends, whenever I see we open in the middle of the range, we open in the inside of the range, I'm being very conservative, because what I'm expecting is while we're in the center, it could be choppy. So I don't want to be in the middle. I want to be near the end. So I want to be over here, or I want to be over here. So I want to go long up here, short down here. And the reason is because this is where people's stop loss can get run. All right, so that stop loss can get hit. And that's where we could see the squeeze. So that's exactly why I'm focusing on those areas. So let me go ahead and I'll just walk you through the live commentary today. So the first thing that we have to do is mark our trigger trades. Okay, so our triggers are our line in the sand of where we're going to go long and where we're going to go short. So we're going to go long at 412.50, and you're going to see this is how we made money on stocks today. It was the same thing. So we're going to go long right there. There's our long, okay? And then we're going to go short at 408.71. So when you come into the day, guys, you should have these levels marked up and ready to go, okay? So right there, just double click, and I'm going to put this one in yellow. So I like to see my chart like this coming into the day. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So I want to see, where are we? Where's my long? Where's my short? Where are we right now? Okay. And then that's how I go about my day. So you see right here. All right. Good morning, friends. So this was at 9:19 Eastern, 6:18 Pacific. Inside open so far. I won't be forcing anything at the open. I'm going to set both our triggers and leave them in fully automated. Don't get caught in the chop. And basically, the reason I said that is because I saw the first two bars were just kind of in the middle. So I'm just being patient, being careful. Don't want to do anything too crazy. All right. And then from there, my friends, you'll see we actually get filled on our long. So long trigger filled, 6:47 Pacific, 9:47 Eastern. Let me show you that. So that's when we come bam right here. Boom. So right there is our fill. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I was a little bit nervous right there, because I'm like, man, this thing is not pushing through. It's not pushing through. And then you could see I said here, I'm not going to let this one run away. My max stop loss is in. Send some energy. Stop loss is in. Emotions are out. Not going to micromanage it. Either hits the stop or hits the target. And I think some of you guys need to hear that. Hit me with a 10 if that resonates with you. Sometimes, guys, you put the stop loss in, and it's either going to hit the stop or it's going to hit the target. And I was feeling that this morning. I was like, are you going to go? Are you going to go? What are you doing? Are you waiting? So I put the stop loss, and then boom, there we go. Very next candle. And when you're trading this in real time, my friends, this candle feels like it takes hours. I'm talking about this 1 5-minute bar. It feels like it takes 1 whole hour to develop. Hit me with a 2 if you feel the same way. It's just because you're like waiting. Is my profit coming in? Is it? Boom, right there. Here we go. Nice pop, trimming some profits. No greed, scale out, have some runners left with break even stop. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right. So I feel those emotions too, guys. Trust me. But at the end of the day, if you want to get the pie, here's the pie. You got to eat the pie. You understand what I'm saying? I don't think that made sense. Okay. But you get what I'm trying to say. All right. Now, from there, what do we do next? Now, this is where we come in with the pre-market fibs, guys. We're taking things to another level right now. We are taking things. Here we go. Okay, strap in the seatbelts right now. Plug it in. Okay, let's go, guys. Put the seatbelt in right now. Okay. So this, guys, this is gonna blow your mind right now. Check this out. This right here is 1010. Okay, 1010. So here we go. Fast forward. That right there is 1010. This right here is 1010. So the only difference is I'm looking at the futures market. So when SPY opens, it opens right here. Okay. So look at this. So I'm going to fast forward right now. So this price action right here, this is from 930, right? From 930, okay, to the close. Look at futures. This is 930 and to the close was right about here. Okay. So do you guys agree with me that this is the regular trading hours for the S&P 500? You need to understand that. Hit me with a 7. Does that make sense? So this is regular trading hours. Okay, so you see here, here's our 930. We came up, came down, then went sideways. That's exactly what happened in SPY. We opened, came up, came down, moved sideways. But the question is, my friends, the question is, why did we sell off from this point? Why? You may ask, Rich, why? What is the meaning behind this sell-off? Check this out. So I'm going to step into the Discord right here. I'm going to go to Fibonacci live setups right like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the plan of attack we had in the pre-market. Okay. So this is our pre-market Fibonacci. So our pre-market, guys, we had a high that was established at 830. This was that, whatever announcement they want, CPI, IPC, Fed or Head or Sedge, they did this adjustment, this correction here. So at 8:30, someone went short. Okay, hit the like and subscribe right now, guys. I'm showing you things that have taken me many, many years and hundreds of thousands of dollars to understand. I took that burden on myself. You don't need to. You can take the education and do what you want with it, but you won't have to pay the price. Okay, so there's a price to pay with everything in life, guys. There's a price to pay. It cost me a lot of money to get destroyed to understand this. Okay, so now at 8:30 there was a high established, but you don't see this is the price action going into the market. You don't see this on this chart right here. You don't see it, right? There's this action. You don't see it. There's a gap here. That gap this is the price action for that gap. So going into the open today, guys, we had this high right here. Let me mark it. The high was 41.8650. So we're going to go ahead and put our high anchor there. Okay, and let's bring it down. And I'm going to double click and I'm going to put on the basic. All I want you to do is focus on 618. Okay, so what we're going to do now, let's go. Here's our 930 open. So we're going to go ahead here and we're going to move it down to that 930 open right there. Okay, and I'm going to double click and I'm going to send this across the screen so you can see it. Okay, so now let me ask you this right now. Is this a bearish direction or a bullish direction going into the open? Hit me with a 1 if it's bearish. Hit me with a 2 if it's bullish. Okay. What direction is that? So obviously, guys, coming into the open, we had this sell-off from 41.8650 to 41.14, right? Now from there, watch this. Now the regular trading hour starts, boom, boom, boom. This is where we got to. So remember, we went long in the morning. So we took our long from here. We locked in some profits as soon as we hit our target. But then now we start slowing down. How do we start slowing down? Well, here's an inside bar. Inside bar is a sign of momentum slowing, right? So check this out now. If you go to futures, there is your inside bar right there, right on our 618 zone right there, guys. So here's our fib. This is our pullback on our fib, guys. And then that's it. See that? So that is one of the reasons why we sell off from. That's one of the reasons why this is the high of the day, because there was a Fibonacci algorithm. There was a Fibonacci plan that was already created in the pre-market by whoever was shorting this, whether it's a robot, whether it's an institution. But this information, you cannot see it on the regular trading hours. You guys understand? Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. 10 out of 10. So that's why, guys, now we're hunting. We had our pre-market drawn up in the morning, and then you could see right here, 618 filled short. This is exactly what I showed you. So in that moment, it looks scary. These are all green bars. They're coming into your 618. Green bars, green bars. Oh my God, what's going on? Oh my God, what's going on? Right? And then right after that, guys, there's our sell-off right there. Right here. Sorry, guys. Here's our sell-off right here. Okay? So that's what it is. That's what it's about now. It's about using the information to the best of our abilities and then using our trading styles, our inside bars, our Fibonacci. We combine the information with the price action. That's how we can make a lot of money. All right, guys. So that one was an excellent, excellent trade that we hit today. And I want to bring that up. So we had our long in the morning. We ran our long into the short, and then we took the short. And that right there, guys, when you can do that and you can extract money from the market both ways, that's when you know that's when you know you're doing something right. Because a day trader, the purpose of a day trader is to make money both ways, long and short, because we don't have restrictions like people that are long-term holding, like swing trading, et cetera, et cetera. Hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. Okay. And then what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to recap Nvidia, and then we're going to walk it out. Okay. Because it's Valentine's Day and I don't want to keep you guys here forever. All right, here we go. So Nvidia, where did this pick come from? All right, so there's 2 ways to be involved with this community. If you follow the Trading Wars Twitter, every single day I post free picks. Okay, so Nvidia was our #1 pick on the list yesterday. Okay, we wanted to go long above 219.39. So let's go ahead and let's mark that up on this chart. Okay, I'm gonna just double click. Okay, I'll put this in green. All right, let's hit the replay. Right there. All right, where's the other way you can get involved? If you are a subscriber to the YouTube channel, you get free picks every single day. So please make sure you're subscribed. I post this every single day. Okay, you're gonna see some more. So here's the community tab. You see, I post that every single day. All right. So there was Nvidia posted. So please hit the subscribe button. Okay. All right. So from here, now, how do we make 2,682 on Nvidia? Well, let's understand the reason why we want to trade Nvidia. Nvidia is one of my favorite stocks to trade because it can be a very volatile day trader, right? So we had an inside bar, and with other inside bars, guys, we see there's a lot of volatility that comes. Sometimes it's choppy, but a lot of times like this, boom, big volume, big opportunities after inside bars. So if we go here, this is what we call the big box, small box strategy. Okay. So there's our bigger box. And here's our smaller box. There's our big box, small box right there. So what we're saying here is the price action is contracting on Nvidia. We could see it visually here, right? So if we were to draw up how that looks, the price is getting tighter on the way up, and on the way down, it's starting to compress like this, okay? So like that. So it's almost like a flag. So what do? We take that opportunity right here, and we're saying long above 219.39. It doesn't matter what time frame it's on, right? Because 219.39 could be on the 1 minute, could be on the 1 second. Once that price breaks, I'm long. Here we go. Okay, so we open below. I love when we open below and then we break through, because usually it has more power, right? So we're below right now. Okay, so we're just waiting for that 219.39. Okay, let's go. Boom, there it is. There's our fill. Boom. Here's the top of the box. Can we get out? Yes, we can get out of the box. And then check this out, guys. That's all she wrote. All right, beautiful. Not only that, but we had a nice Fibonacci pullback. If you didn't want to take that breakout right here, guys, take our Fibonacci from our low to our high. Let's go ahead and double click on this, put on our full. You can see that's right here on the 382. I would normally never take a pullback this shallow. However, we have the Nirvana pattern. So again, my friends, go right here, tradingwars.com. I'm just going to show you. This is what I call candlestick confirmation. I don't take a shallow pullback unless I have this candlestick confirmation. So this is perfection as well, because we have our pullback, but we also have the Nirvana, which is a very strong pattern. We also have the Nirvana at the top. With both of these Nirvanas were A+, both made money. All right. And just remember, guys, if you purchase a copy of any one of my books, you'll get the Nirvana and the Golden Premium Indicators for Life. The Nirvana only comes with the book. It was a new launch I did with my books. Okay, so check that out if you guys are interested. All right, so that's pretty much it, my friends. Really good day. I really hope you learned something from that pre-market Fibonacci strategy, as well as just make sure you're subscribed, guys. I post free picks every single day. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you follow. Hit the like button, leave a comment. Let's go ahead and do some Trendspider scans real quick. So this is how I come up with the picks. I do these scans right here. Let me see if I see anything from here. I'm going to be posting them, so don't worry. But let's see right here. It's a breakout day today, so I wouldn't expect there to be other more inside bars, more consolidating patterns. I don't expect there to be much. So you can see there's no hits right here right now. Okay. But yes, check me out, tradingwars.com, guys. If you want to come trade live with us every single day, we go through the fibs, pre-market fibs, live trading every single day. Tradingwars.com. You can subscribe to the main room right here. Or like I said, if you buy any one of the 3 books, guys, you're going to get 1 month for free and you get my indicators for life. And let me ask you a question. Does anybody want a Valentine's Day deal? Hit me with an 11. Anybody in this chat want a Valentine's Day deal? Because I can make it happen. But let's see the 11s. If you guys want it, just remember, guys, it's so important. As a day trader, man, we go long, we go short. We play it. What's in front of us is what's going to make you the most money. Don't let your emotions take control. Don't ever let that happen to you, because you're going to be on the short end of the stick. All right. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Anybody that purchases a book for Valentine's Day, if you want to give it to your hubby or your lubby or your bubby, whoever you want to give it to, we're going to do 2 months for free in the Discord. Okay. So instead of 1 month for free, if you buy any one of the books, any one of these 3 books here, guys, you're going to get 60 days in the Discord, plus the indicators for life, plus the scanners for life. We got you all set up. All right. I'm going to go out right now. Have a great dinner. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for being here to support the community. I hope I kept you educated and entertained. All right. Thank you very much, my friends. Have a good night. Don't forget to leave a comment. Have a chance to win a giveaway. We do every single weekend. Take care.